Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect a business email to ActiveCampaign. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. Click Deals and then go to Connected Emails. Click the Connect an Email Account button. A modal window will appear. Select the Google account you'd like to connect to ActiveCampaign. Enter your password and click Next. Review the permissions and click Allow, and you get it. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. We deeply value your viewership of our video and appreciate your continued support. Thank you.